Wait, here's a picture. Hey guys, welcome to I'm here with another video, and today I'm going to show you how to get your own YouTube picture. Yeah, it's quite easy though. So first you go to Saperia or Club Geos, because there's the only places that I know has a photo. So yeah, first you go to like any place that has a photo booth in Animal Jam. But did I just see something? Wait, that was just what the heck? This thing flashes like crazy. Anyways, oops, that doesn't. Wait, anyways, so now you just take a picture. You can do no text, like change around your pose like that. Yeah, but like it just yeah. And change the background too if you want. Yeah, I don't want to tap here because for reasons. I mean, I'm getting these mixed up. Yeah, you can do that. And then you take a photo. Does that have like 1,000,000 gems? But you will need 50 gems to do this. Yeah, and then you save it. Then it uploads as a file. Yeah, and then you can go to YouTube and do that. Creator Studio. Go to that. And then you have to edit it. Yeah. I already took this one though, but yeah, I can do it. Recent one. Well, you pick one of your photos, then you upload it to the web though, but yeah. I have this one at the moment. Time that I can move it over here. And so now you take it. And then you can exit back to YouTube like that. And then see your photo right there. You can see your photo. Yeah, anyways. Hope you guys enjoyed this video today. And hope to see you next time. Goodbye, people.